What is being creative? Creativity is no longer a word reserved for the musician or the artist. It's something you can find in anyone. It's the ability and the urge to make something of value. It can be big. It can be small. But making something new, something different, something that surprises. Something that makes you think. Something that makes you smile. It's making something beautiful. It's telling a story. It's telling your story. Expressing yourself. It's about being passionate. It's creating something other people can use. Sharing your creativity. It's about realizing that there isn't always a right or a wrong way of doing things. There's not always a correct answer, only the answers that we create. What's common for creativity is that it comes from inspiration. Inspiration found in the world we live in, and in the people we live with. It's found when we share with them, building on what's given from the diversity of people's thoughts and perspectives. So try and drop the assumptions that you know how to do things and already know the solution. Stray away from the direct path. Take risks. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because it's only from the mistakes that we learn, and it's from the mistakes that the really interesting things happen. We may not always create or invent, but we always learn when we try.